you want to do a sea fetch, Fetch King? Yeah. Watch this. Make sure you watch, bro. Okay? Make sure you watch. That's going to be the toughest one of the day. Okay? Make sure that you're careful. Take your time. Careful. Good boy. Up on the wall. Right. Go on. Take your time. This is going to be a tough swim back, guys. Up, 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 up. Keep that mouth out of the water. What I want to see, guys, is I want to see his back. His back to remain out of the water like it is. Can you see it? That means he is perfectly fine. So when the back sinks, you have a problem. So as long as he's nice and buoyant, his mouth's out the water, he's nice and calm. And look at that for a swim. Well done. Beast mode activated. Oh, distraction. Recall on point. Straight back to me. Come on. That was absolutely fantastic. And I tell you what, mate, I swear you did that in under 2 minutes, which is friggin' crazy. Let's be honest. No, no, no. We need you to shake straight away. So, get all that off you. Under 2 minutes, Fetch King. That was friggin' awesome. Well done, you. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. That was an awesome swim.